Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to install CasaOS on Windows. So let's just begin. So there are three different steps that you should be following. First of all is going to be you need to simply install Dockers, and you can do that using docs.docker.com, and you get a complete guide on how to download the engine of Dockers. Once you successfully do that, eventually you are going to be jumping to the second step, which is installing CasaOS. So here, as you can see, once you have completed prerequisites above, you can install CasaOS by running the following commands. So on Linux, you need to simply put this command, and eventually you will be able to install CasaOS, and that is how you do it in these easy steps. So if you have any questions or confusions, you can let us know in the comments below, and I will be assisting you on that matter. So make sure to keep in mind that you have your WSL2 already installed. If you do not have it, you can simply head over to their wsl.exe update command. Basically you need to run it and it will be updated. So once you have it, you will be easily good to go.